In this video, you'll learn the difference between broker and crypto exchange and why it's so important to know it. Also, my friends, remember that you are watching course for beginners. Below this video, I think there would be a link on whole that course or whole playlist. I recommend you to save it after you will watch this video. Let's go. Why it's so important, this topic? Because as you can see on our YouTube channel, we have a lesson. You will identify scam broker in 1 minute. And I recommend you to watch that video and read feedbacks of people. Read their comments, because a lot of people get scammed by brokers, by crypto exchange. As you can see, it is thumbnail of that lesson. I just recommend you to watch it, that's all, because it would be really useful for you. I would separate this lesson on 2 parts. What is broker and what is exchange, difference between them, and how to choose the best one. Let's go. Broker, it is intermediate between you and the market. In most cases, you use broker to trade forex market, to trade stocks, because you cannot trade directly on exchange. The biggest difference between all of this is that you can trade exactly on exchange, on crypto market, because there are a lot of exchanges and they compete between each other. On CoinMarketCap, you can open a list of all exchanges, as you can see, and you can read about all of them, about their volume, about their liquidity, about their coins that you can trade. As you can see, for example, you can open Binance and you can read everything about their instruments, feedbacks about them, and all of that information. About brokers, what's the biggest difference between brokers? That there are a lot of scam brokers that completely not regulated. How it works, for example, you can write in the Google scam brokers. I think you can read a lot of information and about all of this part about forex brokers and how to choose the best one. Remember that on our YouTube channel we have a completely separate lesson about how to avoid scam brokers. Let me summarize to you the most important things about that. First one is, if someone call to you and convince you that you should deposit money and you will get amazing returns, that someone will send just money for you for free. Remember that in most cases it is a bullshit and scam, because no one works for free. You don't go on your job for free, you do it for money. The same other people, they scam you, they try to convince you that there would be something so cheap, there would be so amazing opportunities. In most cases, those companies is not regulated. When you scroll every company, you can find their regulation, and if some FX broker tell you to trade it. Also, in most cases, those companies will tell you to trade your assets through MetaTrader 4. It is a platform where you don't see order book. Remember, if some company tell you to trade some asset and then they don't give you access, I would like to share with you this beautiful exchange. Take a look. It is a real exchange. It is a real platform that shows to me all real orders on Bitcoin. As you can see, a lifetime. I can see all pending orders. I can see all real market orders that's going on at this moment. That's a real platform. If some people convince you to trade Bitcoin through MT4 without DOM footprint, don't do it. Remember that in most cases it's a scam. Here is a list of brokers that scammed people many times. Remember this list. What is exchange? Exchange, it is a place where you can buy real asset and hold it. The biggest difference between broker and exchange is that on brokers you trade derivatives. Derivatives, it is things that does not exist in reality. I'll do another lesson what is derivatives. How it works. When you trade on real exchange, you can buy real coin, you can withdraw it into cold storage, you can send it to other people. I personally use biggest exchange, Binance. There would be link for registration below. You will get 10% discount if you will use our link, 10% fee discount. On CoinMarketCap, there are a list of top exchanges that you can use. I recommend you to read about all of them, especially about top 10, because it will give you better understanding what is it. Let me share with you, for example, like Binance and other exchanges. As you can see on Binance, I can open trade. It's open like Cardano. And based on Cardano, I can, as you can see, I have pending orders on Cardano. I can buy real coin and I can send that coin. That's the difference. Also, we have, as you can see, depth of market. That's a beauty of real exchange. I recommend you to use as big exchange as possible. Why it's so important? Because as big exchange is better regulated with better feedbacks. You can write to us, our companies, there would be links, doesn't matter where you watch, and ask about trustworthy companies, and we will share with you a list companies that we personally use. Remember that you will keep your money on that exchange. It's important to choose it properly, because imagine if you have 100k, 500k, and you deposit it on exchange. I think you should try that company. That's why. Read about all of that, and if you have any questions, you can ask it. Thank you for your time. Remember to share this lesson with other friends. Thank you.